Hello, this is Alexander Thrasher for IIOT Challenge 1. In this challenge, we are to go over our physical and digital systems where we connect a series of devices to our PC and access each device from our command prompt. So to start with our physical system, we have our 3 PLCs here. Each PLC is identical as the CA00AC connected to a C2-03 CPU. And from each CPU, we have our port 1 Ethernet connected into this hub. From this hub, we have this secondary Ethernet that leads into our PC to complete the physical hardware requirement for our local area network. To set up each PLC, we'll go into our software, go to setup. Each PLC needs a unique name so that we can identify which PLC we're connected to. And so we'll go into system configuration and type in our PLC name. We can change this at any time. So exiting out of this. Next, we have to set up its COM port. Through here is where a lot of the juicier stuff happens. So since we've identified that we're connected to port 1, we'll go to port 1 setup. And from there, we'll be setting up our IP address, subnet mask, and then our default gateway and DNS server. We'll want to use a preferred DNS server because when you access from DHCP, it will kind of give you a randomized server address based on whatever the PC is giving it at the time. So we'll just want to keep it static. Each device needs to be on the same network allocation. So from our network, you'll notice that every single one of them is 192.168.0. You'll make sure that that's the same across your default gateway, DNS, and your IP addresses. Your PC will also be on this same network, so make sure that it's the same there. Each PLC, since we have 3 PLCs and device network 1 is already taken, we'll have 1 equals 2 for this little number right here. PLC 2 will be 3, and PLC 3 will be 4. Click OK. And OK. Next, to make sure that our devices are all given the program, the project that they need to be, we'll write that project. And my project here is just an end statement. It's basically just something blank. We're wanting to establish connection. And so we'll write our project, and we'll do a quick runtime edit. Take a little moment right here. You can see here, use PLC settings, like so. I'm doing a runtime edit. And this is basically just, it won't stop the PLC, it'll always be running. Now it's all uploaded. All right, now that that's done, we want to make sure that our PC is receiving data from each of our PLCs. And I've already done a few tests here, but how you do it is you go into your command prompt and you type in ping followed by the device's IP address. So here's PLC 3 right here by its IP address, and you'll get a series of packets. Each one of these packets is basically just a signal sent from the PC to the PLC itself, and it'll send a message back. You'll want to make sure that all packets are sent and all packets are received with a loss of 0%, and that's how you know that everything's connected. And that's the challenge. Thank you much for watching.